Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty metal H stakes, perfect for all your yard sign needs. This package includes 100 pieces of robust 30 by 10 inch stakes, crafted from galvanized steel wire, ensuring they won't bend or rust easily, no matter the weather conditions. These stakes are double welded for extra stability, making them reliable holders for signs, pictures, and more, without the risk of falling over. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert your sign into one side of the stake and push the other side into the ground, no tools required. Whether you're hosting a yard sale, open house, party, or wedding, these stakes are versatile enough for any occasion, suitable for use at home, in the yard, office, or on the lawn. Their weatherproof design means they'll stand tall through rain, wind, or shine, welcoming guests with your personalized message. So, if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable solution for displaying signs, these metal H stakes are just what you need. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.